I can sit and breathe. After today's class, my brain just froze.
Yeah, I feel you, Naya. I just came straight from my practicum session. It was intense, but meeting like this totally worth it.
Seriously, I miss having these calm little chats. It feels like we've both been swallowed by routines lately.
Yeah, that's right. Between work, classes, and assignments, sometimes I forgot to take a moment for myself. When you text me to hang out, I was like, oh, yeah, I need this.
Same here. Actually, I want to talk about something I've been thinking a lot about lately.
Oh, sounds deep. What is it?
Life goals. You know, personal targets. Like what we want in the next few years. I don't know. Lately, I've been feeling like I need more direction.
Wow, same here, Inaya. Maybe it's because we're getting older and starting to think more seriously about where we are heading.
Exactly. So I started writing a 5-year plan. It helped me stay grounded. Short term, I want to graduate on time, fix my self schedule, and be more consistent with journaling.
Wow, that's a solid start. What about long-term goals?
Well, I dream of working behind the scene in film or television, like production teams, and someday I want to open my own coffee shop, a cozy one full of books and art.
Wow, that's so amazing. You've always had that creative vibe. I can totally picture your place with warm lighting and handwriting menu boards.
That's the dream. What about you? What are your personal targets?
For me, I want to move into quality control, like in a big company that focuses on health and wellness. That's why I'm studying health science while working.
Why? You're taking classes too?
Yeah,
How do you manage that?
barely. It's a lot, but I want to level up. Personally, I'm trying to be more detail oriented. I tend to rush things and mess up little stuff.
I get it. That's why I started journaling, not just for productivity, but to really understand myself better. Like, what do I really want? What habits are holding me back?
That's smart. I might try that too. Sometimes writing things out clears the chaos in our heads.
Do you ever feel left behind when you see people our age achieving so much already?
Yeah, all the time, especially on social media. Everyone looks so put together.
Exactly. But I try to remind myself that we all have different timelines. No need to compare someone's chapter 22 or chapter 5.
True, progress is progress. Even baby steps matter.
Like I finally created a small portfolio last week. It's not perfect, but it's a start.
Yeah, that's so amazing. I've been thinking of starting a blog. Maybe just to share my thoughts, stuff I learned from work at school. It could help others too.
You should totally go for it. Sometimes putting things out there helps you grow even more.
Yeah, talking to you always gets me motivated again.
Same here. Let's make this a monthly thing. Go check things over coffee.
Deal. I will bring updates. You bring snacks.
Perfect. And for now, let's survive this week first.
One deadline at a time. So, besides setting goals, are there any habits you're trying to break?
Yes, 100%. I'm really trying to stop staying up too late. I always say just 10 more minutes, but end up sleeping at 2 a.m.
That's me too. Especially when I start scrolling at night. It's like I blink and it's 1 past 12.
Exactly. That's why I started using a paper planner again. It kind of forces me to sleep earlier so I can wake up and write in it.
Nice. I'm trying to be more disciplined with screen time. I actually set up limits, but I always click ignore for today.
Guilty. But at least we're aware and trying. That's the first step, right?
Yeah, that's right. Inaya, do you have anyone who push you to catch your goals?
Definitely my older sister.
Wow.
She's the type who always believes in me even when I don't myself. How about you?
I do say my mom, she doesn't fully understand what I'm studying, but she always reminds me to do my best. Sometimes just hearing her, I'm proud of you, keeps me going.
That's beautiful. Support really matters, even in the smallest forms.
Yeah, it reminds me that I'm not alone in this journey.
What's the hardest thing for you when it comes to sticking to your targets?
Honestly, overthinking. I plan and plan, but then get scared to actually start it.
I feel you. Mine is procrastination. I wait until the pressure is high, then stress myself out.
We really balance each other, Inaya. You procrastination, I overthink. But hey, we're both moving forward slowly but surely.
Exactly. I'm learning to just do it messy sometimes rather than waiting for perfect condition.
Yeah. Hey, what's something small that brings you joy lately?
I sigh lighting a candle while journaling in my sleep. It makes me feel calm and focused.
That sounds so lovely. For me, it's walking without headphones and just listening to the city, like birds, car, and people.
Oh, mindful walking. I should try that. Sometimes those little joys help us stay grounded.
Yeah, that's so real, bro. Hey, do you have a quote or motto that you live by?
Yes, progress not perfection. It reminds me that moving forward, even slowly, still grow.
Oh, I love that so much. Mine is discipline beats motivation. Because I can always be motivated, but I can show up.
That's powerful. Motivation fades, but habits stick.
Yeah, exactly. And having this stuff helps recharge that energy too.
I'm so glad we had to stop. It really helped me reflect.
Yeah, same here. It's like therapy, but cheaper. And with coffee.
Totally. Let's keep supporting each other.
Yeah, absolutely. Here's to hitting our goals one step at a time.
Cheers to that.
Cheers!